Hello everyone, my name's Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about the immune system, its structure, and its function. The immune system is our body's natural defense system, and we're going to be talking about how it helps protect you. Here's our lesson overview for the video. First, we're going to be talking about innate immunity. Next, we're going to be talking about adaptive immunity. So let's talk about innate immunity. Innate immunity refers to a non-specific defense mechanism in response to foreign invaders. Innate immunity, aka non-specific immunity, has multiple different facets that we're going to go over. First, it has barriers, so let's talk about that. The body's first line of defense are outer barriers, such as the skin, the cilia, stomach acid, symbiotic gut bacteria. Even your tears have antimicrobial properties. The skin has sebaceous glands, which secrete sebum, and sebum has antimicrobial properties. The skin is also 3 layers thick, and this helps to protect you and form a barrier against the outside world. We talk more about the